Hey guys, it's playtime with Adventure Time. Here we have Finn. Finn is always bringing his green backpack. I wonder what's inside Finn, or who is inside Finn. Let's find out. Open up, Finn. Whoop! We got Jake. Here we got Jake, the best friend of Finn, and he is a yellow dog. Woof woof. There's something inside Finn. Let's find out. Oh, who is this pink one? Her name is Princess Bubblegum. She's wearing a tiara. She has a very long pink hair and a beautiful pink dress. There's something inside Princess Bubblegum. Who could it be? What could it be? Let's find out. Oh, what is this? We got Ice King. Oh, Ice King looks scary. Ice King is the one who captures Princess Bubblegum. There's something inside Ice King. Let's find out. What is it? Open up. We have Bimo. This is Bimo, the best friend of Jake and Finn. Now everyone is inside Finn. Now let's start finding surprises inside our Adventure Time nesting dolls. Let's start with the nesting doll with a yellow color. Which one has the yellow color? This? No, that's pink. Oh, this one. Jake has a yellow color. I wonder what's inside Jake. Let's open up. Oh, it's a blue Play-Doh. Something is inside. It's purple. We have the Lumpy Space Princess. Lumpy Space Princess is a sad purple cloud. She is a princess, but she doesn't have a crown. But she has a star on her forehead. Which one is the biggest? This? No. Oh, this one. Oh, this is the smallest. This one? You're very smart. This is the biggest. The biggest nesting doll. Let's open up Finn. It's a red Play-Doh. I see a hand. Blue color. White. I wonder what is this? It's the Ice King. Wow. The Ice King looks scary, and look at his nose. It's so long. His hair is white. And his crown is yellow. I'm the king of the snow. Next nesting doll we're gonna open is the one with a pink color, and that is very good. That's Princess Bubblegum. I wonder who's inside Princess Bubblegum. Can you guess? Let's open up Princess Bubblegum and find out what's inside. What do you think it is? Pink eyes. We have Jake. Jake is holding a guitar. Jake has big eyes. He is the best friend of Finn. Woof woof. Let's find more surprises. How about Ice King? Let's find out what's inside Ice King. Nothing, it's empty. Maybe there's no more surprises. How about let's try. Let's open up Princess Bubblegum. I see something. It's a purple Play-Doh. I wonder what's inside the purple Play-Doh. It's black. We have the best friend of Princess Bubblegum, and this is Marceline. Marceline the vampire. She is a rocker vampire. Look at her guitar. Her guitar is shaped like an ox. She's wearing a brown boots. And she has a very long black hair. Let's find some more. How about... which one is the biggest again? Very good. It's Finn. Let's find out what's inside Finn. It's a green Play-Doh. I wonder what's inside this green Play-Doh. Can you guess what's inside this green Play-Doh? I see a shield. We have Finn. We have the bottle Finn. He's holding a white sword. And he is always bringing his green backpack. Let's find another surprise. Let's open up the yellow dog. Jake. It's a white Play-Doh. I wonder what's inside this white Play-Doh. I see a blue color inside. We got another Finn. Let's have a short recap of our Adventure Time surprises. The rocker vampire Marceline, the bottle Finn, the yellow dog Jake, the Ice King, and the Lumpy Space Princess. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.